Hi my friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Spring with Spring Soulful Home, and being that you're new, I would definitely love if you subscribe to my channel and be sure that you turn on those bell notifications. I'd love for you to help me grow this YouTube community. It would mean so much. You can also find me on Spring Soulful Home on Instagram, and be sure that you give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps support my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is just going to be a power hour. I'm going to clean my master bathroom, guest bathroom. I do need to sweep them up and also tidy up in my kitchen and just dust a few surfaces. So what I am going to be doing today is just setting my alarm for 15 minutes for each individual task that I need to do, which should equal up to an hour. It really, in reality, I know sometimes maybe, I don't know, or me personally, I feel like when I need it clean, I just kind of feel like I'm bombarded with all these things I need to do at home. And really, it doesn't take long to clean a bathroom or even to sweep and mop. So I hope that this gives you some motivation to get your home cleaned up and tidied up today. Just always helps me feel better when my home is clean, and I like for my family and husband to come home, you know, just to a nice, tidy, clean home, smelling good and whatnot. So let's get cleaning. All right, my friends, so what I'm gonna do is, even though I want this to be a power hour, what I personally do just to break things down, like in my head, the way I personally think, I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes. And that just kind of challenges me to, hey, 15 minutes to do one thing, then another. So the first thing that I'm tackling today, it's going to be my master bathroom and my master bedroom. I just need to vacuum and just dust a few surfaces in here. I've already made my bed and picked up in here. Well, I did that last night, so basically all I did this morning was just make my bed. So I'm just going to set my alarm. Set alarm for 15 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to start vacuuming and dusting, then I'm going to move into my master bathroom. Dust, vacuum, wipe down my sink. I wasn't doing a deep clean today. I'm just cleaning my surfaces so it's nice and tidy. I do my deep cleaning on another day, but of course during the week, maybe even a couple times, more than a couple times a week, I'll just do a quick wipe down so everything stays nice and tidy. So it took me 15 minutes to do that. The next thing I'm gonna do is clean down our guest bathroom. I know that's going to take me less than 15 minutes. It might take me a little bit more, but once I sweep and mop, I'll come back in my bathroom, and I've already swept, and I'll mop in here and then in my guest bathroom, and then once I'm done there, we'll move on to the kitchen. So I'm going to move on to the guest bathroom, and again, it's just a wipe down. It's not a deep clean. This is just to keep my home tidy during the week. So I'm going to move on to my guest bathroom. If you guys have never seen my guest bathroom, it's a good size, but just to put the camera in here and my tripod, it's a little bit small. It definitely needs to be redone. I remember saying that some of the places in our home, they're still kind of 90s. So I know that we will be, once we're all done with our kitchen, I'll probably move here into our guest bathroom. Pretty much everything in this bathroom is original to when we bought our home. So this is it here. Nothing fancy, still the lovely green countertops. I know we're gonna also do like countertops, same white tile, and I'll most likely just paint the vanity. I like the big vanity on the counter, the cabinet it's in. I know we'll get a new toilet, and then I'm gonna just repaint. But yeah, that's pretty much, this is pretty much our bathroom. Nothing fancy in here. It says be kind, and this is it. So right now, some days my kids are pretty good at picking up after themselves. Today it was not bad, just some gel left out, and I just need to take out the towels. I'm washing our other ones right now. So I'll take those out, put some fresh towels, and my kids already threw out the trash, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm just wiping down my surfaces, gonna clean my toilet, the sink, handles, stuff like that, refresh the towel, sweep, and then I'll mop once I'm all done. The next thing I'm going to do is just pick up in this area, and I'm going to just quickly dust. I'm hoping it doesn't take me longer than 15 minutes, but either way, that's just, like I said, like how I like to just kind of challenge myself to move a little bit quicker. So I'm just going to pick up whatever I have like in this front living area, which isn't a whole lot, and then I'm just going to quickly just go over like my tables. Just on my entryway table, my bench here, I know they tend to get a little bit more dusty, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to set my alarm again. Set alarm for 15 minutes. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I do need to clean my fans. They are pretty dusty, and I'm just going to dust this table and that shelf there, and that'll be it for like the dusting. And then I'm going to unload my dishwasher, load it up, wipe my surfaces down again, and then I will sweep them up. What I like to use is a pillowcase, an old pillowcase, and I just put the fan blades in there, take off any dust bunnies, and then I go over the fan blades with Pledge. So that's how I like to clean my fans. Alright, so this is my last 15-minute increment, and I did not take into account like the time it would take me to move my camera, so I know that added in, another couple minutes, but this is my last 15-minute increment, and I'm left with unloading my dishwasher, loading it up, and that's okay if I didn't get it all done in an hour. I'm still gonna sweep and mop anyway because it needs to get done. I want to get it done, so even if it takes me an hour and 15 minutes, I'm okay with that. Like, I'm gonna give myself grace. I'm not gonna beat myself up. But that is something I really want to get done, and all of the spots that I wanted to get done, they are definitely getting done. So I'm gonna unload my dishwasher, load it up, wipe down my surfaces, and then I'm gonna sweep and mop. So I'm gonna go ahead and get Alright, you guys, so I have started now. It's been an hour and about 10 minutes since I turned the camera on, turned my alarm on. So basically right now I'm just going to wipe down my surfaces. I still do need to sweep and mop, but that's not going to take me longer than 15 or 20 minutes to get done. So I definitely hope that this brought you some inspiration to just get up, clean up your house, tidy it up really quick. And you know, the rest of the day, maybe you like to read books, maybe you have your little kids, you can take time to play with them, get dinner prepped and whatnot. So just know that I think sometimes, and I'm speaking to myself personally, that I make this big old thing in my head like, oh my gosh, I have all this stuff to do, and how am I gonna get it done? And like, kind of like we get things like, just like muffled all up in our head, and really, it really doesn't take long. I cleaned 2 bathrooms, dusted, I even cleaned my fans off, which they were in dire need of cleaning. I would have gotten the camera closer so you could see all the dust bunnies, but would have ran into my time even more. But again, so you know, I dusted off my surfaces, and I even vacuumed in my master bedroom. So again, you guys, just have some grace on yourself if it takes you a little bit longer. However you go about cleaning your home, but I hope this brought you some inspiration. Enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy your little ones. Thank you all so much for watching. It really means so much. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You definitely help support my channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all again on Thursday. You all have a wonderful rest of the day.